everyone. Good morning, Monkey. What are we doing in maths today? What are we going to need, Monkey? Oh, I can see you've got a tens frame. Let's count the squares. Let's check there are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 spaces in our tens frame. So we're going to use that. And what else are we going to use, Monkey? We're going to use some counters. Now, Monkey and I are going to have some counters each. And to help us tell whose counters are who, one of us is going to have blue and the other one's going to have red. But if you haven't got different colour counters at home, you could always use coins. So one person could have, say, all 2p's and the other person could have all 5p coins, so that you could use the coins to represent your counters instead. And we're going to use our tens frame and our counters to add together two groups. We're going to combine two groups to find out how many there are all together. So we're doing more adding today. Are you ready to get started? Monkey's ready and I'm ready, so off we go. Monkey and I have both got some counters each. I wonder how many we've got. Can you count them for me? I wonder if we've both got the same number. Can you help me count them now? I've got blue ones. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many's Monkey got? He's on in the same pattern as mine. He's put his owl out in front of him. Has he got more or less than me? Let's count and find out. You ready, Monkey? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I've got 5 and Monkey's got 5, we've both got the same number of counters. Now we're going to use these counters for our adding. So I'm going to put mine on the bottom row. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I put them on the bottom row of a tens frame. You can create one of these. If you've got a pencil and a ruler, you could draw your own. The tens frame has got 10 squares in it, hasn't it? So I've put 4 counters in my tens frame. Monkey, do you want to add some of your red counters? Okay, I wonder how many Monkey's going to put in. Can you count with him as he puts them in? 1, 2, 3. Now I've got 4 counters and Monkey's got 3 counters. I wonder how many we've got all together. Shall we add them together? So I've got 4. So I know I've got 4. I can put 4 in my head. 4. Let's count on for Monkeys. 5, 6, 7. I had 4. Add Monkeys 3. 4 add 3 all together equals 7. Shall we have another go, Monkey? Okay. It's time, Monkey, you can put yours on first. How many do you want to put on, Monkey? Okay, you're going to keep your 3. You're going to add some more. 3, 4, 5. Oh, Monkey's used all 5 of his counters. So Monkey's got 5 and I'm going to put on 1, 2, 3. So Monkey's got 5. Add on my 3. How many all together? So we're going to count the 2 groups together on the tens frame. So we know that Monkey put down 5. So we're going to put 5 in your head, Monkey. 5. Let's count on my 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 add 3 equals 8 altogether. Well done. In this part of the lesson, we're going to look at these pictures, these images of tens frames. Now I've got 4 tens frames on the screen. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 different tens frames for us to look at. And in each tens frame, there are some dots, there's some coloured dots. In the first tens frame, there are some blue dots and some pink dots. Now our challenge is to find out how many dots are there all together. So let's count the blue dots. 1, 2. 2 blue dots. How many pink dots? 1, 2, 3. So how many dots are there all together in this first tens frame? Now I can see I've got more pink dots, so I'm going to put that number in my head because it's the largest number. So I'm putting the 3 in my head for my 3 pink dots, and I'm going to count on for the blue dots. So 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 dots all together in my first tens frame. How many empty spaces are there? You've noticed there are 5 empty spaces on that tens frame, aren't there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's your turn to take a look at each of the other 3 tens frames, and can you work out how many dots there are all together in each one? How many purple and red dots are there all together? How many green and yellow dots are there all together? And how many orange and blue dots are there all together? Monkey and I really enjoyed combining our 2 groups to find out how many there were all together. We really find adding lots of fun, and we hope you had fun adding too.